Hej Dette.
Det er en meget, meget stor fornøjelse at få lov at sige det her, og jeg er sikker på, at I er helt vildt spændte. Det er en virksomhed, der hedder Disque. Må vi få Disque på scenen? Ja, tillykke. Der følger en pris med. Tillykke. Tillykke til dig. Kunne du tænke dig at sige et par ord? Disque, hvad er din idé med det her egentlig?
Well, can I tell it in English?
Oh yes, we can tell it in English. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And what's your idea with this Disque?
Disque is a social media for everyone that can share opinions audiovisually. So people get discussions and talk, and the audience can vote if the person can stay talking or not. So you need to be in the majority of the audience to continue talking. It's like kind of an audiovisual competition for any topic.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much, and congratulations! Thank you, and congratulations.